the team really. It was team effort.
And well, the cooperation of everybody, especially you, Mr. Akman.
All the team, all the team.
So, before I talk to everybody, I want to thank you all for cooperation to finish our job without any incident. And before I go to my vacation, I want to give over my position to Mr. Agravante.
Okay! Manny Pacquiao!
I hope that your support you give to me, you will give also to Mr. Master. Okay?
Okay, one, two,
Thank
three.
you.
Safety first.
So what can you say, Mr. Agravante, of the turnover?
I already.
Do you accept the challenge?
The challenge?
Yeah.
That is always challenge. What do you think, Sir Ahmad?
I think you can do it.
I will do it. No, it's your word. I will do it.
Yeah, puta! Oh,
What about for the team, Master? What can you say about the team?
The team is very good performance. Cooperation.
Mr. Ahmad will be the one who will observe that. He knows.
so you want again to hear from Mr. Ahmed regarding the team?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Come again,
Really,
Mr.
I'm
Ahmad.
appreciating everybody in this team. Yes, I was happy to join this team, and I believe this is the best team I work with, and I think I will not forget this team. And if I was tough in some times with anybody of you, please forgive me. It is work pressure, nothing personal, really. For anybody, it's
Yeah.
only work pressure, nothing. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
One, two, three.
Okay, guys.
Okay, Mario.
Okay, we go.
Thank you.